Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the silver, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what we got on the daily time frame is the market resolved exactly like we planned. We got a very tight triangle here in a strong massive upside environment. And the result is a market basically breakout of triangle. I alerted about this in my previous forecasts, and we took the 145 mark, and we're getting closer to the 147 mark, which is basically the area where we got 1998 highs, so 147, 147.60. Pay attention, that can be also a nice objective based on this breakout of this triangle. So pay attention on the 147 mark and 147.50 mark. Again, my advice is still to focus on the buying opportunities on the intraday dips towards the 147 mark. If we speak about a silver market, this is also very interesting. We didn't take, so silver didn't trade into the 20 territory yesterday. So we got quite big rejection there yesterday, and bar close in the middle, which is basically a sign of weakness. Overall, market is still balancing, but there was a breakout of the rate of change 1, plus there was a confirmation of the breakout. So as long as the market is trading below the 20 level mark on the silver, the downswing is present. So watching for selling opportunities on intraday rallies, on some extremes, watching for the bear flags. Can be interesting idea on this market, with the downside objectives at 1875, 1795 and 1760 mark. Speaking of the crude oil, it's also very interesting. There was a breakout of this rate of change 1 and a confirmation. Market is balancing for last few days, but we are very close to test actually the major pivot low at 81 mark, 81.10 mark. And if we can trade lower, if we can basically break this 81.10 or also clear this multi-day low at 82.28, we can open the door for a much bigger drop on the crude oil, probably towards 66.50 mark. So also watch for that potential breakout play on the crude oil. And speaking of the Bitcoin also had a breakout of the rate of change 1 oscillator, and we are basically just testing and respecting the 18,300 mark. So we need to see some bigger, either bigger supply and the bigger down break. Market is still on downswing, so I would like to see how the market will react. Will the market break this 17,620 mark? If we break this, let's see if we have strong supply, we can open the door even for 12,000 mark to be on the test. So that can also be also the highs here on the daily. We can see basically a 13,000, let's say 14,000 mark, 13,900 mark. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.